Assalamu alaikum everyone. As our project is fleet management system for Mehran University of Engineering and Technology Jamshoro. So first one is the aim of our project. So let us see what is the aim of our project. Here the aim or purpose of our project. The main purpose is to facilitate the university to solve the issue related to mute fleas or point buses, as admin assign proper route for points or buses and assign new driver, or admin only the admin can edit or delete the driver, and he can assign the routes for different points from starting to the destination points, and also at the same time admin can assign fuel for points or buses through online this project, not manually. And the other one is when we talk about user or driver. So user or driver can only see the info but not edit or delete. So let us see the working of our project. So this is the interface of our project. You can see the interface. This is the home page, point routes, mute points. So this is the main page. So, and this one is the vehicle, driver list, home page, and the login option. There are two options, user and admin. Admin login. Here admin username, password, then login. So the welcome for admin. So home page, vehicle. Here vehicle list are there. So you can see admin can add new vehicle by registration name. There are two types of vehicle, official or local. So select them, point number and color of the vehicle, registration date, and the driver. Select driver, the name of our driver, and the description. Here admin can add the description. Choose file means the photo of driver as being a record, then submit. So here you can see by submit. So now the vehicle registration successful. Now the new vehicle form, you can see the vehicle list. There are vehicle list. If admin can delete at that time, so by deleting you can see localhost give permission, yes, then particular vehicle deleted. So now edit in vehicle, update vehicle. So you can see we update registration number here, and the point number, color blue, and the date can be changed, and the description may be, and the finally address description may be address or anything. So here we write this is mute point and submit. So the particular successful registration, and you can see the info of point. So there are vehicle list. So now you can see the vehicle info. In the driver section there are some driver. Admin can add new driver form. So you can see the first name here. First name, we write first name, then the last name, password for particular driver ID, username, select route, which route assigned to particular driver, then the email of driver or phone number maybe, and the other option for phone number also, then driver joining date, national ID card number, you can see, and the license number, license end date, driver address here, and the choose file also you can, as previous means photo as being a record, then submit. successfully. Driver list, you can see here, new driver list. There are some driver. Admin can edit or delete any of them. There are many driver. For suppose we delete this driver, so now you can see deleted. Edit driver list, which only admin can access this. First name, for suppose we edit first name, and the username and the email address. You can see we edit email address and the mobile number, for suppose, and the national ID card. Means edit anything. Admin can edit anything in the driver section area. So now you can see a driver address, edit, and finally the submit. So you can see the driver info now editing, and the new can be here. So contact, so new info is here. You can see new. So the driver list, now you can see here the new info, and the managing bill part. So add new bill means here you can see the select name means the driver name, and the date, and the assigning point, how much, and the route up there, and distance, oil cost, how much consume, and the extra cost, and the total cost admin exists here. And finally, after editing here, the submit. So now you can see the billing information here, now editing the new in the list. So you can see view, edit, and the third one is delete. Edit and delete only for admin. So you can see can be deleted or add new info. You can see admin can edit or delete any kind of info in the billing list. So what is the billing list consume? You can see billing information here. So total cost, add bill. You can see only access the admin, but at that time user only can see, not edit or delete this information. So here you can see admin is editing some new info, date, total kilometer, oil cost, extra cost, total cost for particular point along with the particular driver info. So you can see here, so new information can be edited. So you can see another option, another example, oil cost, maybe edit new info, extra cost, and total cost, and finally the submit. So billing info can be edited. So here you can see in the list, new billing info list, managing bill, log out. Now log out. Now you can see login for user, means we can say driver name. You can see if we put here wrong driver name, wrong info or password, so this will show that unsuccessful. So now you can see the unsuccessful or login unsuccessful because we put here wrong info, not particular info. So again this is show that unsuccessful. So here you can see when we here you can see that now successful welcome because we have show particular name and driver info. So here driver list, here bus schedule, user only can see, and bus schedule, the permanent bus schedule, here the map, you can see the Google map and the particular route for assigning, and we also track the point or location for buses. You can see my and user see my bill along with their particular record. For you can see here the driver info here, and then log out. So this is all our project. Now let us see the results and technologies. So here the results of our project. As we talk about results, the before all the records were get manually, but now by using this project, access online means admin can access online all the record, all the data. Admin can assign proper route for point, or maybe assign new route at any time through this project online, but not manually. This is the main benefits of our project. And all the information related to fuel, like assigning fuel, how much consume fuel, which point consume how many fuel, are we can say that it can all the record can be done online in our project. User can see any kind of info at any time. And this is the last one is future work, which we are going right now. Tracking vehicle means real time tracking, means the points, the position of points can be tracked, and admin can see the actual point. So now we talk about the tools and technology that we have used in our project. So there are some tools and technology. Tools, XAMPP used for running the project, and Visual Studio for coding. There are some technologies: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery, MySQL, and PHP. So that's all.